Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by backing up your current Pubg Lite config. This protects your settings if something breaks. Locate the game's config folder on your device or emulator and copy the files elsewhere. Once done, grant any required storage permissions so you can read and write files. Make sure you have at least 50 megabytes free to avoid write failures. This first step prevents data loss and gives you a safe baseline to restore from if an edit causes issues. You now edit the config using a reliable text editor so formatting stays intact. Open the file and change values such as sensitivity, field of view, and network-related timeouts. These affect aim, visibility, and lag, respectively. Change one parameter at a time and save incremental copies so you can compare results. Once you save, set the file permissions back to read/write as required and close the editor. Testing small changes teaches you which tweaks improve gameplay without introducing instability. You finish by copying the modified config back into the game folder and launching Pubg Lite to verify changes. First, enter a practice range or bot match so you can safely assess aim, frame rate, and network behavior. Observe differences and tweak again if necessary. Iterative testing is the fastest path to optimal settings. If the game crashes or behaves oddly, restore your backup immediately. Then reapply one change at a time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.